Hello everyone, hope you are well and fine. So what do you have today? Today we have a small phone. This is a phone that is coming from a rural customer, and what the customer is saying, he is saying the phone is ringing. I can do everything, but I can't see anything on the screen. If someone calls me, I can hear the phone ringing, but you can't see anything on the screen. So that's the problem with this small phone. Uh, this is some kind of small Chinese phone KXD model K351 plus. That's the model of this small phone. Yeah, people here, they are still using these phones. So we have to fix this. But let's see what this phone is doing exactly. So we're playing with the USB power meter, the one on the middle with the green values. Plug in the charger, and it's taking 340 milliamps. I can see the keypads, light on the keypads here, but I can't see anything on the screen. It's now taking 650 milliamps, but we don't have anything. Let's try to power on this. You hear the sound? So that means the phone is powering on, but basically we have nothing on the screen. But if I can pay close attention here, it is some writing there. Where's my phone? Maybe you can see, but it is some writing there. You can't see, but it is writing there. So the fault that we have here, we have some kind of backlight issue. So how do we fix backlight problem on this kind of phone? That is the next step. Because if I'm seeing some numbers but we don't have light, it's possible to have some kind of backlight. So I don't want to waste time on this one because this is a small phone. We can't spend too much time. What I will do, I'll take out all the screws. We want to see if we can fix this. So how to fix backlights on such kind of small phones? How do you fix backlights on such kind of phones? Open new. The keypads, and here we have to be careful. We don't want to damage the connector. I still have one more screw here. So we are inside the phone. I can't see like liquid damage because here on this side we have that's the motherboard for this phone. We have the motherboard. We have the battery connector here. The first pin, I believe that's the VBAT for the plus 5 volts. We have the ground pin. We have the E.T.C, that's the negative coefficient, which is going through some resistors or some current resistors, some current sensor. In most cases, if we have problem with those resistors, that's when you get some error, some battery charging error messages like temperature too low, temperature too high. You have to check where those are resistors they are. You put your multimeter on continuity mode from the middle pin. You check to the motherboard. I'm sure you see those sensors. So here I can't see water damage. So why this is not displaying? What is the next step? Is to check what is here on this connector. Let's go on a microscope. Microscope. Let's go on a microscope. Maybe what is here? This connector, the one side of one side of this connector for the screen doesn't look good. What is this? We have some pins, like broken pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's clean. I think that explains why this screen, maybe. What do you think happened to this phone? Maybe the customer dropped the phone and after that the backlight disappeared. So here our problem is on these pins. We have this. Or should I switch off the anti-glare light and raise this? No, I have to turn on the anti-glare light. So the problem here, we have this pin. We have 4 pins missing. Those 2, they are going nowhere. Those 2, the middle ones with the ripped pads, they are going nowhere. But this one, okay, let's try to solder back those pins without wasting time. Without wasting time, let's try to rebuild the pins back. We need some solder wire. So let's test here. We have to test either we've successfully fixed the backlights on this phone or not. Power on, and it's working. Huh? You see? It's working. We now have backlights. That is the phone. You can see everything. So that was the fault. Let's put it all together. We don't want to waste time here. Why should I waste time? I should not waste time on this one. So powering on the phone. The phone is coming on. And it's also charging. We now have backlight. You see? You see everything is working fine. So that was the repair. That was the repair. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And if you are in Africa, this is mostly likely to be done in Africa, where most of the people, they are still living on the poverty datum line, where you don't have enough to spend. You are not using iPhones, you are using simple phones. Yeah, that can help most likely technicians or people who are trying to fix phones on a less developed country, where people, they are still using these small phones. The phone like this. Yeah, you can first check on the LVDS connector to see if all the pins, if you have some pins which are not connected, you might have a white screen, you might have a backlight issue, some kind of. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. And also, if you have anything, don't hesitate to ask me or leave a comment, and I'll answer you on the next video. See you on the next one. Bye.